I'm going to show some of the issues that I'm having with the primer and indexing. So at this point, if I lower the arm and index the shell plate, you can see that I'm not hitting center. If I manually reach over and click it, I can get it to center. I can also like move it back and forth like this. And the index wheel at the bottom is not moving when I do that. So it almost looks like there's some slop in this arrangement. If I go ahead and try to index the pawl further, and I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and go just like a 1/16 of a turn. I think you'll see that suddenly it binds. It got really stiff right there. It didn't bind, but it got really stiff. So if I come back up and show you, there's absolutely no change in the adjustment. I'm still missing the primer hole, but I can manually make the change. So if I continue to try to get that shell plate to move so that it meets up with the primer hole, I'm going to go ahead and go another little bit. It's only going to get worse. Okay. Coming back upstairs, you'll see that it's still, if you got, hopefully you guys can see this, it didn't even change the index of the shell plate at all. Now if I go ahead and push forward on the handle, it will center, but it also raises the primer punch up, as you can see there, and that causes a collision with an empty case in a primer. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but I think I've got a bunch of wear on this press. See there, it pops in when I push forward. But I'm telling you, without showing you, it will not, as you can see, that primer punch is on its way up. I'm almost pushed the handle all the way forward before it pops into place. That's my issue. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys have a suggestion.